Hi, Mike Ida with Amatrol here. I'm on the industrial team. Welcome to the Amatrol showroom. I want to take a minute today to highlight some of our 990 compact portable training systems. You can see here we have areas covered by in PLCs and electrical motor control, power and move control, drives training. Amatrol has systems that range from basic electrical all the way to high-end automation that come in all various kinds of shapes and sizes. We've been trying to develop these portable systems to go along with them that maintain the same level of curriculum, but provide a more convenient hands-on package that is portable, easy to store. You can see here, these come with a hard case cover, handle and wheels, so they're easy to get from spot to spot, can be locked up at night. Simple as that. Now I want to bring in Mark Goodman. Mark is the Director of North American Industry, also a skills gap expert. You know, Mark, you and I deal with a range of customers in all kinds of industries. What do we always say? From pickles to space rockets. So we've seen a lot of different needs, and while these portable compact trainers aren't our only option, we've seen a lot of folks drawn to these. Why do you think that is?
We're simple, Mike. I want you to think about the 4 C's when you think about the 990 series of Amatrol technical learning systems. Compact, consistent, convenient, and commercially relevant. So it combines a complete learning environment, the entirety of everything in a very compact, deliverable design that, as you mentioned, is movable, move it from space to space, and most importantly, for a lot of the folks that we deal with in manufacturing where space is at a premium, is the ability to provide technical training and then pack this thing up and put it away on a shelf so that they can move on to something else within that very space.
The question we get a lot is, how do I better train our new hires, our ongoing associates? And the answer is always, we don't have any time. How do we do this? Well, you have to make time, right? And one thing I've seen that's drawn folks to these is the ability, like you said, to where if you've got someone who is down on this side of the plant that needs some training, you can take it to them, and then you can take it to the person B down the other side of the plant. You can move it around. It can be locked up securely. We've actually had a lot of correctional institutions like these because of the ability to secure them at night, put them in a locked cabinet. It really does provide a lot of flexibility, and there's a growing need for training, correct?
Oh yeah, absolutely, it's huge. You've got to think of every organization that we work with is literally split into thirds. A third of their organization is looking at imminent retirement. The middle third is overwhelmed and burdened by the exodus of the final third. And that first third is all new hires that really don't have the capability and necessary skill sets to really perform the job. So it's really a multifaceted issue that we're facing, and the design behind the 990s is exactly that. Remember that the learning objectives that we include within the compact series of trainers are the exact same learning objectives with our full-size equipment. So we can separate them by module, and to your point, Mike, we can have a person working on the foundational basics while somebody else may be using the system for advanced troubleshooting skills.
Absolutely. Last thing, you know, I think one thing Amatrol does well is they try to, like I said, with this growing need for training, they try to be as flexible with their learning as possible. All of our content can be accessed on the cloud. We can make these either full size and put them in your training room, or we can get you a compact size trainer that will be able to go anywhere. It really is, I think, a need in this industry of manufacturing, technical trades, that we offer flexibility because, you know, at the end of the day, time is money, and the more time that someone's off the floor, unable to be going through a production process, it's hurting the bottom line of that company. So I really think the flexibility is an attractive part of this setup here.
It's really proven itself out, Mike, historically here at Amatrol. We've got a lot of clients across the entirety of North America that are very, very happy with their compact learning systems and continue to order more and more of them.
All right, well, thanks, Mark. And if you'd like to know more about any of our 990 series compact portable units, feel free to reach out to Mark or myself, or contact your local authorized Amatrol distributor. Thanks so much.